Good morning, my good friends. Building up the temple, building up the temple, building up the temple of the Lord. Boys come and help us, girls come and help us, building up the temple of the Lord. Well done, good morning, everyone. Good morning, how are you all? I am fine, thank you. And you? Alright, so this is Mr. Nartey coming your way once again. And today we are going to design a bird. A bird. We are going to design a bird. Can you all see the bird? Yes, this is the bird. That's what we are going to do today. Okay, please. A bird. That's what we're going to design today. And the color of the bird is yellow. And then we got the green grass and the clouds over here. So the bird is walking on the green grass. So I would like to entreat you to pick your creative art book and open to a new page. Pick out your creative art book and open to a new page. There should be nothing here. That's where we are going to do our work. Alright, so before you can create your bird, you need your plain sheet of paper, you need your poster colors. So we are going to use the yellow and then the green. You also need your pencil and your marker. And then you also need your paint brush to help you to paint, okay please. So we are going to start with the bird, okay please. Yeah. I'm going to start with the head of the bird. So I do a curve, go up like this, and then draw the feathers, draw the tip of the bird, come out like this, and then join like this, and I draw the feet. We are not here for perfection. We're just trying to create an idea. I draw the eye of the bird. Okay, please. I'm going to use my marker to go over it so that you can see it well. Draw the beak over there. I draw the eye. And then I draw the feet. Just like this. Another one here like this. And this one like this. So at the end of the day, you should work on. I'm going to draw the wing of the bird. Wow. So children, you can have something like this. Then the color is yellow. So I put my marker down and pick my yellow paint. And with the help of my paintbrush, I dip into the yellow paint and I paint it yellow. paint it yellow. Add more paint. Paint it yellow. Paint it yellow. That's my yellow bed. You can also use your yellow crayon to paint the bird. So I have my yellow bed. And the feet is brown. So I can use my brown color pencil to color it. Color the side too of the feet, the claws. I'm down. Now I'm going to create the green grass. Okay, please. Use your color pencil to create the green grass. A slash out, and one in there. Okay. And use your green paint to do that. Okay, please. Okay, here's my green paint. I dip it into it. And then I make see, can do it. I make some dots, some zigzag over there. Okay. Try to draw some brownish animals walking in the grass. Please can even use a black marker. Small ants. Yeah. And for my class. That gives me my bed. At the end of the day, you should be able to have something like this in your book. A bird looking for small ants to eat. Okay, please. So please, children, I would like to entreat all of you to take your creative art workbook with your pencil, your crayons, poster colors, washable paint, or your paintbrush, and try to be creative. Look at how the bird looks like and draw it on your paper, and then you can paint it yellow. God bless you. Stay safe. I'll see you again in our next meeting. So today we did a bird. Give yourself a laugh clap. Wow. So today we did a bird. Bye-bye.